Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. Again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 7, and the name of the chapter is congruence of triangles. As we are proceeding exercise 7.2 and we have completed the questions up to question number 5. So today we will start with question number 6. First of all, we will read the question, what is given in the question. So exercise 7.2, page number 150, and that is question number 6. Two diagrams are given. One is like this, and the naming has been done, that is A, B, P and C, such that this is given 90 degree and this side is given equals to this side, and this angle is given equals to this angle, and this side is equals to this side. So we are supposed to write the name, that is triangle BCA is equals to. Now the second one is like this. The naming has been done, that is P, Q and R, here T and here S, and this is given that angle P is equals to angle R, and this side is equals to this side, and this side is equals to this side, and the remaining side, that is equals to that. So we are supposed to complete the statement, triangle QRS. Now is congruent, we are supposed to write the name of the congruent triangle here. So we can see from here that BC is equals to BT. So triangle first two alphabets are BC, BC, that is equals to BT, BT. Then AC is equals to AT. So here comes A. So that will be complete. As you can see that angle B is common in that, so both are the angles are equal. Then BC is equals to BT, and then AT is equals to AC. So that is the complete statement, and the criteria also we can write here. Which criteria we can use? We can use angle side is the criteria which is being used here. At the same time, in this triangle QR is equals to PT, and angle R is equals to angle P. So angle R is in between, so angle R is equals to angle P, so we will write P in between. Then PT is equals to QR, so T will be here because QR, PT. Then S is remaining this side, and here this side, which is which part is remaining? QRS. So TP angle Q is equals to angle T. If we are looking this, angle Q is equals to angle T, angle Q is equals to angle T here, means this is equals to this, and then R is equals to P, R equals to P, and then remaining is TP Q, and that angle S, that angle will be equals to this angle. So this will be the criteria, this will be the notation for that, and criteria, which criteria we are using? Side angle side. Side angle side will be the answer. Now I told you previously that we cannot change the name of the triangle. Because if we change the name, if we change the sequence, the corresponding angles will be changed, and the corresponding angles are equal here. So in place of TPQ we cannot write QPT, because angle Q is equals to angle T, and angle R is equals to angle P, and angle S is equals to angle Q. At the same time we can see the sides also, QS, first one QS is equals to TP, P, and QT so like this you can proceed the questions. You can compare the corresponding equal parts of two triangles, and we cannot change the sequence. So after this we can proceed the next question, that is question number 7. In a square sheet, so square sheet you are having at home, draw two triangles of equal area such that two triangles having the equal area, first case both are congruent, and the second case both are not congruent. So you can try at home if you are having the square sheet. Then 8th, again you are supposed to try that, because in that you are supposed to make the rough diagram. And in question number 9 we can do So first of all we should read question number 9. In triangle ABC and PQR, the diagram is given, are to be congruent. Name one additional pair of corresponding parts. Which criteria did you use? So first of all we are supposed to draw the diagram for that. The diagram is like this. That is ABC, and the second one is like this. That is PQR, and angle C is equals to angle R, that is given. So now we are supposed to prove these two triangles congruent. Which part we are supposed to consider? So we can take the side between these two equal angles. So triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle AB. AB will be equals to PQ. So PQR. Now we are supposed to verify from the diagram. Angle B is 90 degree here. Angle B is equals to Q. Angle B is equals to Q, and BC last two is equals to QR, and angle C is equals to R. Last angle C is there, and here angle R is there. Criteria we are supposed to mention, that is angle side angle. So, like this we are supposed to proceed the questions given in your exercise. I hope that you have understood. Now, you can complete this exercise easily, and if you are having any problem, then you can message us, or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubt so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your textbook. At the same time, this chapter is also completed. So, you are supposed to go through the chapter, at the same time you are supposed to solve the examples given within the chapter, and after completing the work you are supposed to take the pic of that, and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we can also maintain the record of the name of the students who are completing their work on the daily basis. Thank you very much.